Black hole is a place in space where gravity pulls so much that even light cannot escape. The gravity is so strong because matter has been squeezed into a tiny space. This can happen when a star is dying. In this video, we will explain history of black holes, formation of black holes, different types of black holes, and more. Without wasting any time, let's start this video. Albert Einstein first predicted the existence of black holes in 1916 with his general theory of relativity. The term black hole was coined many years later in 1967 by American astronomer John Wheeler, after decades of black holes being known only as theoretical objects. The first black hole ever discovered was Cygnus X1, located within the Milky Way in the constellation of Cygnus. Astronomers saw the first signs of black hole in 1964 when a sounding rocket detected celestial sources of X-rays, according to NASA. In 1971, astronomers determined that the X-rays were coming from a bright blue star orbiting a strange dark object. It was suggested that the detected X-rays were a result of stellar material being stripped away from the bright star and gobbled up by the dark object. An all-consuming black hole. The closest black hole to Earth is dubbed the unicorn and is situated approximately 1500 light years away. Black holes have three layers: the outer and inner event horizon and the singularity. The event horizon of a black hole is the boundary around the mouth of the black hole, past which light cannot escape. Once a particle crosses the event horizon, it cannot leave. Gravity is constant across the event horizon. The inner region of a black hole, where the object's mass lies, is known as its singularity, the single point in space-time where the mass of the black hole is concentrated. In 2017, we saw the first glimpse of a black hole named Gargantua, which was created by Christopher Nolan with his VFX team. But the first real image of a black hole was captured back in 2019 by the Event Horizon Telescope. The striking photo of the black hole at the center of the M87 galaxy, 55 million light years from Earth, thrilled scientists around the world. Our Milky Way galaxy could contain over 100 million black holes, though detecting these beasts is very difficult. At the heart of the Milky Way galaxy lies a supermassive black hole, Sagittarius A, 4 million times the mass of the Sun, and lies approximately 26,000 light years away from Earth, according to a statement from NASA. Black holes are formed from the collapse of a massive stars. The process typically involves the following steps. Number 1. Formation of a star. A star with a mass of at least 3 times that of the Sun begins its life by fusing hydrogen atoms in its core into helium. As the star continues to fuse heavier elements, it generates energy that counteracts the force of gravity, keeping the star stable. Number 2. Exhaustion of nuclear fuel. Once the star exhausts its nuclear fuel, the fusion process stops, and the energy generated by the fusion can no longer counteract the force of gravity. This causes the star to collapse under its own weight. Number 3. Supernova explosion. As the star collapses, its core becomes extremely dense and hot. This triggers a supernova explosion, which expels the outer layers of the star and leaves behind a core that is several times more massive than the Sun, but only a few kilometers in diameter. Number 4. Formation of a black hole. If the core left behind after the supernova is more than about 3 times the mass of the Sun, its gravity is strong enough to prevent anything, including light, from escaping. This creates a region of space with zero volume and infinite density, known as singularity, surrounded by a boundary called an event horizon, beyond which nothing can escape. This object is a black hole. So far, astronomers have identified 3 types of black holes. Number 1. Stellar black holes, small but dead. When a star burns through the last of its fuel, the object may collapse or fall into itself. For small stars, those up to 3 times the mass of the Sun, the new core will become a neutron star or white dwarf. But when a large star collapses, it continues to compress and creates a stellar black hole. Number 2. Supermassive black holes, the birth of giants. Small black holes populate the universe, but their cousins, supermassive black holes, dominate the universe. These enormous black holes are millions or even billions of times as massive as the Sun, but are about the same size in diameter. Such black holes are thought to lie at the center of pretty much every galaxy, including our own Milky Way galaxy. Number 3. Intermediate black holes. Scientists once thought that the black holes came in only small and large sizes, but research has revealed the possibility that mid-size or intermediate black holes could exist. Such bodies could form when stars in a cluster collide in a chain reaction. Several of these intermediate black holes forming in the same region could then eventually fall together in the center of a galaxy and create a supermassive black hole. Black holes are some of the most fascinating objects in the universe, and there is still much we don't know about them. As we continue to explore and learn more about the cosmos, we can be sure that the black holes will continue to capture our imagination. Now it's time to conclude our video, and before we do, I would like to request all our viewers to subscribe our channel for more upcoming content like this. Thank you for watching.